The recent episode of Uthando Nesthembu left people with the question ukuthi uMosamselo uthwele ngempela yini ngomndeni wakhe, and that is what I want us to talk about here on this video. So do stay tuned if you're interested. But before going to the video, I need to first request you guys to like it, and if you haven't subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also support by scrolling down the channel to watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. So, Mosamselo trending for sacrificing his family is nothing new. I remember that a few seasons back, people would allege that uMakhumalo not having kids and Mangwabe having 2 miscarriages was because Mosamselo sacrificed their kids to get wealth. Also, there are rumors that his other family members hated him because they used to accuse him of ngabo, and I'm not taking this out of my mind. This is all over the internet. Even here on YouTube, there are plenty of videos that talk about that. So, Mosama needed to dismiss all of that and ignore those rumors. Now recently, people started paying attention to this after Mosamselo's 50th birthday. So on his birthday, he was delivering his speech, and on that speech, he mentioned that he had 2 siblings. One sibling raped Usne, which is something we all know since we all saw it on previous seasons of the show. He went further to talk about his sister, and I've been asking myself, where is his sister Vela? Pela, she was there on the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd seasons, but after that, she just disappeared. So, Mosa revealed recently that her sister went to consult with Sango, and the Sangma that she went to told her that Umusa is stealing her luck. Uthi kanjani namangazi, but you guys know what happens when umuntu ethwele. So, we probably have more information that I have. So now, this left Twitter and Facebook with questions, and my question is, why is Musa ticking all the boxes that umuntu othwele ticks? Some say umuntu othwele usually have many wives, and among those wives, one of them usually have In fact, you know what? Let me end this video here. I can't be sued for defamation of character. So, ladies and gentlemen, comment in the comment section, share your thoughts and opinions with regard to this topic. And if you enjoyed this content, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end. Thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next video.